guys, today we will see what my puppy will do if I start crying. Let's see. Right now I'm playing with my puppy. You cannot see her. I'm sorry for the camera setup. It's like I'm going to get a new tripod soon as I can. My puppy loves me a lot. She loves me. On a love basis, I give her 100 out of 100. She knows me and she loves. Ouch, ouch. And she bites a lot too. She just bit my cheek. I will do a lot of things with my puppy. Okay, many people will tell me that why are you hugging your puppy so tight? You know what? I just got her, and it's like a new puppy thing, and I do torment my puppy a lot. I want to spend my rest of the life with Stella. Stella! You are my best friend. My best friend, my best sister, my everything, my life. And I know how to make you stuff like this if I want to take care of you. I love you, Stella. Isn't she adorable? Okay, thank you. I love you. Thank you. Thank you, I love you. I love you, thank you. Okay. Bye guys. Out! Okay. She bites a lot. It's like